Make your existing garage door smart. Remote and voice control. Just tapping the Meross app from anywhere or speaking to your Alexa, Google Assistant, or SmartThings devices. To let in your family, guests, or couriers through the garage door while you are cooking or not at home. No monthly fee or any other subscription fee. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compatibility check. Whether your garage door model is on the compatibility list. Or check the compatibility list on Meross MR's official web. If Pilar's short test fails. Number 2. Multiple notification modes. Stay alert by different notification modes such as garage door open, close status, overtime notification, and overnight notification to remind you to close the garage door. And you can check the garage door open, close operation records through the app. Number 3. More precise and stable. It comes with a high-sensitivity sensor that monitors the status of the garage door more accurately and the signal stays stable. With adapter convert 110V to 5V, much safer. Number 4. Easy to install. Installation is much easier than you may think. PLs make sure your Wi-Fi strength is acceptable near your garage door. This is the upgraded version, which has solved the interference issues our old version may cause to some garage door remotes. Keep house safe. Get alerts when your garage door opens, closes, opens for a long time or is forgotten to be closed at bedtime. Number 5. IFTTT. If the Nest thermostat detects there are no people in the home, then close my garage door for safety. Number 6. Reliable connection. Powered by Mediatek IoT chipset, Meross Smart Garage Door Opener can provide reliable connection in the garage where the home Wi-Fi may not be well covered. Number 7. Triggers. When your garage door opens or closes, let the Meross smart bulbs flash to notify you. Number 8. One app for your home. Control all your smart plug, surge protector, single pole, 3-way, dimmer wall switch, bulbs, humidifier, smart garage door opener, and many other smart devices with one Meross app. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.